Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D cartoon video using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I would like to recommend you this AI, Pixverse AI. So first of all, you can visit this website, app.pixverse.ai. And then we're going to use the text to video feature. Okay, so here we just need to add or describe the content that we want to create. You can add the prompt here, and before you use the feature in this AI, you can sign up to this website. You can use your Google account to sign up, and then you will get 60 credits for free or daily credits. Okay, and then I'm going to describe the video that I want to create, and for the prompt I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, and I'm just going to copy the prompt from ChatGPT and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now the prompt has been edited, and then as you can see, we need 20 credits to generate a video. Okay, for 3D cartoon video guys, make sure that you add a 3D cartoon style on your prompt so the AI can create 3D cartoon video for you. And then I'm going to click on create and wait. We just need to wait for a moment and the video will be generated. This is my previous generation and the result is crazy guys. Okay, and now my video is ready. So this is the result. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay, wait, let me download it first. It's still loading guys. Okay, the video has been downloaded and we don't need to pay to use this AI. We just need credits, but we can get the credits for free or daily credits. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.